This is Jim Emter, Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for October 29th, 2018. Corn market down 1, soybeans down 6, Chicago wheat up 2, Minneapolis down 1, Kansas City up 1. So really kind of a mixed day. What started out as a strong overnight faded as the day progressed, and unfortunately find ourselves for many of the markets on the weaker side of the complex. When you look to the overall tone behind the markets, you're looking at the circumstances that basically are can we get going? Can we break down? Where are we going? At the end of the day, we're concerned yet about the soybean complex. A close below this 838 mark will not be very good news by any means for the market and could present some problems here as we work ahead. When you look to the corn and the wheat markets, we see the best support potential there in those two markets, especially in the corn, but we really need to see a good week of export sales. So we'll see if we can't put that together. For right now, 360 support in corn and 495 for the Chicago and Kansas City wheat looks to be the case. Whether we can get up and get going is going to be dictated by finding some good news. With midterm elections around the corner, do expect more of this chop for those two markets and maybe a little more negative bias for the soybeans. Feeder cattle up 15 to down 90, live cattle up 42.5 to 115 lower, and in the hog market up 30 to 92.5. So really a mixed day. Cattle market searching for direction, great cash trade, little concern about the exports working ahead. So we kind of got that tug of war. We've got contracts that are approaching expiration here, and the switch of months are really some of the big key factors. We obviously saw some cash trade uptick last week. That's good to see, but remember, we're switching to the December board here working ahead, so we should see that with some 180 live base and around that 114 or 114 live and 180 dressed. We'll see if we can improve on that this week, but that'll be the key. For the hog market, it's a matter of this African swine fever. That's the bull story right now. Gotten the market back up towards the highs, but now we need that punch. How big is it? What kind of dynamics are we looking for out of China? And can we get the carry through? And we just haven't been able to break out above the $60 level yet off the December. If we can get that, we'll be out with some price counts, but we don't want to get premature in that analysis. We've got to break out first. This has been Jim Emter, Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.